What's going on, RVers? Welcome to RV Cribs. We are Chris and Katrina with our everyday getaway. Dude, we got something exciting for you. This is the Forest River Sunseeker 4x4. Come on in, let's take a look at this. You guys are gonna have your mind blown. Check it out. Nothing screams excitement and adventure like this Forest River Sunseeker 4x4. Let's take a look around, Katrina, and tell me what it is that you like. I can tell you what I like already. Just the fact that, look at this right here. This is very comfortable, easy to drive. You can handle some driving, right, Katrina?
I think I could drive this.
What do you like about this particular?
Well, I can tell you right now, this is a nice size bed. It looks like a queen size bed to me.
Plenty of room, guys, man. Oh.
See,
I'll
look,
see you in the morning, babe.
you'd fit in there
It's all good.
perfectly.
Look at this. That's pretty cool.
You know what would be cool? Is we were camping somewhere near water and we backed into a site, waking up to this out here. Look at this. This is actually pretty nice. And you've got plenty of space up here for you. You could fit in here perfectly.
Nice size refrigerator. Look at that room.
Let me see the freezer. Let me see. How do I do this? There we go. Oh, look at that. It's even got like an extra tray.
And then we get over here to the 3-burner propane stove and the sink right here next to each other. Nice and easy, nice and convenient.
Let's look at the microwave here. What is it?
Oh, look at you.
Oh, it's even has a convection oven. See, I like that because if I need to cook something quickly, I can do that. And if I need to take time to bake something, I can do that as well.
And then we have our dinette, which is great, plenty of room. I like this because really, to get Katrina, think about it. You're sitting over there, I'm sitting here. It's just usually the two of us. This is plenty of room to have dinner and to do some work. So I really am digging this dinette. Look, this is my bedroom now. All right, Katrina, I'm good to go and I got the TV. So I got the TV, the bed. As a guy, I'm good to go. I'm happy. You can have your space back there. I'm good to go in. Yo, I don't think Boomer's gonna get up here with me though.
And look,
So
and when I'm tired of hearing about your snoring and whatever, I can shut this curtain in.
That would be all the time. So, but this is kind of cool too. And if we had the kids with us, they could, you know, come up here and hang out.
The grandbabies would love that.
So yeah,
absolutely.
This is pretty awesome, man. I'm loving this, man. This is nice. Once again, it's Chris and Katrina with our everyday getaway, and this is RV Cribs.
Dreaming of the open road? We've got RV tours, must-know tips, and epic destinations waiting for you. Subscribe to Blue Compass RV and let the adventure begin.